been finding it difficult to create a Facebook page. I don't know the reason, but I'm going to show you in this video in case you've been finding it difficult to create a Facebook page. I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how you can create a Facebook page from the Facebook app. If you didn't go through Chrome, like I'm teaching you this, walking you through this tutorial on how you can create a fresh Facebook page from the Facebook app. So if you've been finding it difficult to create a page now on Facebook, this is a tutorial you want to carefully watch at the end, as you're going to find it valuable. You can create as many pages as you want on Facebook, okay? And I'm going to show you how to create one. Let me walk you through. So to create a new Facebook page using the Facebook mobile app, all you need to do is to open your Facebook profile, okay? Then you tap on your profile picture at the top right, okay? You tap on your profile picture. Then you're going to see pages. You tap on pages. Once you tap on pages, you tap on create. Okay, which option is best for you? Create a new page, start fresh with a new name, separate audience, and professional tools. Okay, so we are going for this one. We are not going for this because we don't want to turn our profile into a page. We want to go for this. Okay, then you go to next. So once you tap on next, it will bring you to this space. Okay, and you're going to see page name. So this is where you're going to put your page name. Let's choose any page name. I can say any name you want to choose. Let me say skill gallery. Just use any name you want to use. Skill gallery, okay. And once you type in your name, here will be highlighted, next will be highlighted, then you tap on next. So once you tap on next, you're going to choose your category, okay, that best describe your page. What category best describe skill gallery? Okay, choose one category to show on your page. You can add 2 extra categories to improve search results. Okay, I can say, let me search for digital creator. Okay, let me search for digital creator. Whether I'm going to say digital creator. Okay, I can see digital creator here. I tap on digital creator. Okay, then I go to create, right? I tap on create to create the page. I tap on create. Okay, so I can write my bio here, right? I can write my bio. I can say I share digital skills that elevates. Okay, make sure that whatever it is, okay, you're writing on your bio, okay, should correspond with what you do. Okay, I'm just writing I share digital skill that elevate. I can do all these ones later, right? Then I tap on next. So as you guys can see, I've created a new page using the Facebook app. People are finding it difficult to create page and I don't know why. Okay, so this is a simple step you can follow to create a new page. Okay, you can go further to optimize your page, you know, by adding your picture, okay, and your profile picture. So let's go to next. You can go further to invite people. Okay, so our page has been created. That is the major thing. Tap on next. So you can choose to turn all this off. We don't need them. go to done. Switching to skill gallery. This is the page we just created, as you guys can see. Hope you guys are seeing it. This is the new page we just created now using our mobile phone, okay, with the Facebook app. As you guys can see, this is the new page we just created, right? So as you guys can see, this is a newly bettered page. Just follow this process to create your page. You can go further to add your cover photo, your profile photo, okay, then you go further to optimize, okay, your page. As you guys can see, this is a newly bettered page. So follow this process and create a page. Okay, hope this helps. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Thank you.